Hey, welcome to This Mama's House. My name is Tabitha. I am a wife and homeschool mama to 5 amazing kids. I strive to keep a healthy, clean, and happy home for my family. Having said that, there's always room for improvement. So consider this a place where we can learn together. There will be tons of cleaning motivation, loads of grocery hauls, amazing food inspiration, motherhood tips and tricks, and things I've learned along the way. Occasionally, we will do laundry together because laundry inspiration is always a good thing when you're a mom. Thank you for stopping by. I look forward to reading your comments and hanging out with you on this channel. Subscribe for new videos every single week. I'm so happy to have you here. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!